Hello everyone, how are you people? I am Vikas Panda and you are watching Panda's Wisdom Talks. So welcome back to my channel. So in the previous video, we have watched what procrastination is all about and how procrastination drags down our life and delays our success. In today's video, we'll be watching the step 3 to attain and build a positive attitude. Develop an attitude of gratitude. Always count your blessings, not your troubles. Smell the roses, don't count the thorns. We are so focused on complaining about what we don't have that we miss the things we have. Appreciate the things you have. When I say count your blessings, not your troubles, I don't mean that be unconcerned. Attitude with gratitude doesn't mean being unconcerned. If that is the message you received, then I am guilty of faulty communication and you are guilty of selective listening. What is selective listening? Let me demonstrate a selective listening with a beautiful story. So once upon a time, there lived a medical practitioner, a medical doctor, a doctor. He was once asked to deliver a speech on the harmful effects of alcohol to a group of alcoholic people. Alcoholic addicts. So he thought. He came up with a beautiful demonstration that proves how harmful alcohol is. So before starting the speech, he started to demonstrate. He took two containers in which he filled one container with alcohol, he filled another container with distilled water, pure distilled water. And then he took two earthworms. In the pure distilled water, he left the earthworm. The earthworm swam beautifully up to the top. And in the second container filled with alcohol, he dropped the earthworm. The earthworm disintegrated in front of everyone's eyes. He wanted to demonstrate the harmful effects of alcohol, right? And then he asked the audience, what did you understand from this experiment? Someone sitting far behind told that if we drink alcohol, all the worms in our stomach will be disintegrated. Was that the message he was trying to pass? No. This is how selective listening works. This is how bad it is. We hear what we hear, not what is said. Many of our blessings are just behind our troubles. Get into a continuous education program. That's step number 4 in the process of building a positive attitude. So let's get some myths out of the way. We believe that we get our education from schools and colleges. But let me ask you this. Do you really think we get educated from schools and colleges? I think not. Now don't get me wrong. We get a lot of information from schools and colleges. Information is a necessity to become educated. But we also need to know the true meaning of education. Yes, the true meaning of education is very vital for success. Intellectual education trains our brain, whereas value-based education trains our heart. And education without training our heart can be dangerous. If we want to build character, we need to have a minimum of value and ethical based literacy. Education that builds fundamental characteristic traits like honesty, compassion, courage, persistence, and responsibility is very vital for success. We don't need more academic education. We need moral based educations. A person who is morally educated is a lot more successful and wealthy than a person who is not. Thank you everyone for watching this video. In the next video, we'll be talking about the impact of education without values how important education really is, and a little about common sense, because the only thing that is not common these days is common sense. If you have liked this video, press the like button. Share this video with your friends, because you should be helping your friends to grow. Comment down your thoughts, and for previous video, check out the description below. I release videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Thank you everyone. Peace out.
Hey guys.
Hi guys.
Hey guys.
Hi everyone. Hey guys, please.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Hi friends.
Guys. Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
Please like, share.
Talks like, share and grow. Please do like, share and subscribe.
Like, share and grow.
Like, share and grow. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe.
Like, share and grow. Like, share and grow.
Like, share.
Subscribe to Panda's Wisdom Talks.
Subscribe to Panda's Wisdom Talk.
Follow Panda's Wisdom Talks to have more interesting stuff and more moral stories.
Subscribe to Panda's Wisdom Talks.
Subscribe to Panda Wisdom Talks.
Please do subscribe to Panda Wisdom Talks.
Please follow Panda's Wisdom Talk.
Subscribe to Panda's Wisdom Talks.
Subscribe to Panda Wisdom Talks.
Subscribes to Panda's Wisdom Talks.
Please subscribe to Panda's Wisdom Talks.
Like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit the bell button.
Do watch his videos, also worth it. Keep it up.